Hey everyone, and a super big welcome back to the Mighty Spriggles channel. It's so great to see all of you amazing explorers again. I'm so excited about what we are going to learn about today. We are going to dive into the world of an animal. You might think you know, but I promise has so many secrets you won't believe. This creature is super smart, very social, and can be found almost everywhere on our planet. Are you ready to put on your thinking caps and get your curiosity engines running? I know I am. Let's get ready for an adventure. Today, we are talking about an animal that sometimes gets a bad rap. You might have seen them scurrying in cartoons, or heard stories about them that sound a little bit spooky. But here on Mighty Spriggles, we love to look closer and discover the truth about every creature, big and small. We're going to uncover some truly incredible things about them. This animal is a survivor, a family member, and even a hero in some stories. So, get comfortable, grab a snack, and prepare to be amazed by the secret life of this often misunderstood animal. Have you guessed what it is yet? It has long whiskers, a long tail, and is known for being incredibly clever. That's right, we are going on an adventure all about rats. I know, some of you might be saying, "Ooh, rats!" But trust me, by the end of our journey today, you might just change your mind. We are going to explore how they talk to each other, and the amazing jobs they can do. We'll find out what they eat, where they build their homes, and how they play. So, get ready to become a rat expert. We're going to bust some myths and learn some fantastic facts. That will make you the smartest kid on the block when it comes to these furry critters. This is going to be an episode packed with fun, surprises, and a whole lot of learning. Are you excited? I can feel the excitement buzzing already. Let's kick things off and jump right into the incredible, fascinating, and totally awesome world of rats. It's time to explore with Mighty Spriggles. Did you know that rats are amazing acrobats? They can climb, they can jump, they can even swim. Imagine being able to scale a wall just using your tiny claws, or jumping from one spot to another with perfect balance. Rats are like the gymnasts of the animal kingdom. They have to be quick and agile to find food and stay safe from danger. Their long tails aren't just for show. They use them to help balance, almost like a tightrope walker uses a long pole. It's an incredible skill that helps them navigate the world around them, from busy city streets to quiet fields. And here's another super cool fact to get us started. Rats can laugh. It's true. When they are happy, especially when they are being tickled or playing with their friends, they make a high-pitched chirping sound. It's too high for human ears to hear without special equipment, but scientists have recorded it and found that it's the rat version of a happy giggle. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? It shows that these animals have feelings and enjoy having fun, just like we do. Imagine a whole family of rats giggling together while they play a game. What about their families? Rats are super social and love to live in big groups called a mischief. How cool is that name? In their mischief, they take care of each other, cuddle up to stay warm, and even groom one another to stay clean. They are very caring and will look after sick or injured members of their group. It's like having a huge family with dozens of brothers, sisters, aunts, and uncles all living together in one big happy home. They communicate with each other using sounds, smells, and even body language to share information. So, are you starting to see how special rats are? We've only just scratched the surface of their amazing world. In this video, we're going to learn so much more. We'll find out how their incredible sense of smell helps them find delicious snacks, how they build complicated tunnels and nests underground, and even how some rats have become heroes by helping people. Stick around. because the next part of our adventure is going to blow your mind with even more unbelievable facts about these mighty, mighty rats. You won't want to miss it. So what exactly is a rat? That sounds like a simple question, but there's a lot to it. Rats are a type of animal called a mammal, just like cats, dogs, and even us. This means they are warm-blooded, have fur or hair on their bodies, and their babies drink milk from their mothers. But rats belong to a very special group of mammals called rodents. Being a rodent means they have teeth that are always growing. Can you imagine if your teeth never stopped growing? Rats have to gnaw and chew on things all the time to keep their teeth trimmed down to a perfect size. It's like they have a built-in nail file for their chompers. There are many different kinds of rats all over the world, but the two most famous ones are the brown rat, also known as the Norway rat, and the black rat, sometimes called the roof rat. The brown rat is a bit bigger and loves to burrow and dig tunnels underground. They are fantastic swimmers. The black rat is a little smaller with bigger ears and a longer tail, and they are amazing climbers. They get their name roof rat because they love to climb up high and make their nests in the attics and rooftops of buildings. It's like they are playing a never-ending game of the floor is lava. One of the most recognizable things about a rat is its long, scaly tail. Some people think the tail is yucky, but it's actually a super useful tool. As we learned before, it helps them balance. But it does more than that. It also helps them control their body temperature. When a rat gets too hot, blood flows through its tail, and the heat escapes into the air, helping the rat cool down. It's like having your very own air conditioner attached to your body. And let's not forget their whiskers. Those long, twitchy hairs on their face are not just for looking cute. They are super sensitive feelers called vibrissae. Rats use their whiskers to feel their way around in the dark. Each whisker sends messages to the rat's brain, creating a detailed picture of its surroundings. It helps them know if a hole is big enough to squeeze through or if something is close by. It's like having built-in radar to help them navigate their world, even when they can't see a thing. It's one of their amazing superpowers that makes them such great survivors. Now that we know what a rat is, let's think about where they live. The answer is almost everywhere. Rats are one of the most successful animals on our planet. They've managed to make a home on every single continent except for Antarctica. It's just too cold for them there. They are incredible adapters, which means they are really good at getting used to new places and finding what they need to survive. Bustling city, quiet farm, dense jungle, grassy field, you can probably find some kind of rat living there, minding its own business and building a home for its family. In cities, you might find rats living in sewer systems, basements, subway tunnels. These places offer them shelter from the weather and keep them safe from predators. In the countryside, rats might build their homes, called burrows, in the ground. These burrows can be very complex, with lots of different tunnels and rooms for sleeping, storing food, and raising their babies. It's like an underground mansion built by tiny, furry architects. But not all rats live in cities or fields. Some species of rats live in really wild and exciting places. There are rats that live in the rainforests of Asia, climbing high up in the trees. There are even giant rats, like the Gambian pouched rat from Africa, which can grow to be as big as a small cat. The reason rats can live in so many different places is that they are not picky eaters. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. A rat's diet can include fruits, seeds, grains, insects, and even small lizards or fish if they can catch them. In cities, they might munch on food that people have thrown away. This ability to eat almost anything gives them a huge advantage. They can make a meal out of whatever is available, which is a key reason why they are found all over our incredible planet. Rats play a super important role in the ecosystem. They help spread seeds, clean up leftover food, and are a tasty snack for many animals like owls and snakes. But rats can also be a danger to humans because they sometimes carry diseases and can get into our food. Even so, rats are important for people too. Scientists study them to help find cures for diseases, and they help us learn more about how bodies work. So, while we need to be careful, rats are a big part of our world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Mighty Spriggles channel.